make sure you've got your tea, your needles, and your yarn. Okay, so you've got your yarn and you've got your string. So you're at the end. You're just going to make a loop across, fold over on yourself, take your finger and your thumb, you're going to go through, you're going to grab the shortest end and you're just going to pull that through to make a knot, but don't pull it too tight. Okay, next step is you're going to grab your needle and you're going to thread it all the way through, and then you're going to tighten it here and you're going to pull the shortest part just to make it closer to you there. Okay, and the next step, you're going to get your finger and you're going to wrap it around the fabric, and then you're just going to go through the top and you're going to take it off your finger, and you're just going to repeat that as many times as you like. I'm going to do it 18 times because I feel like that is a nice length if I wanted to create a scarf, okay? But the amount of times you go through is just how much width you'd want on your scarf. Okay, and you can just make sure it's nice and neat. You don't have to do it too tight, it's not too important, and it should look something like that. Don't worry if you don't get it straight away, because it is difficult, but once you've got the hang of it, you'll be fine, you'll be flying around. If I can do it, then you can, okay? Because at first I really struggled, and now after a few attempts, and it's okay if you try it again and you go wrong and you just redo it, but it can be really fun and you're going to make an incredible scarf at the end of it. Okay, next step is you're going to make sure your thread is towards the top of your needle, and now you're going to get your other needle involved. So you're going to take the other needle on the top loop around your other needle, and you're going to take it up and you're going to create a cross here. Okay, so your other needle should be at the back. Then you're going to take the rest of your thread, you're going to thread it around the back, and you're going to take it in the middle and you're going to bring it down like that. Okay, now you're going to take your first needle and you're going to take it down, and you're going to go up on the first bit of thread, and you're just going to take it away and take it off that needle like this. So you're going to repeat that until you go all the way down on each loop. I know it's a long process, but it's worth it, because at the end, if you finish your scarf, Aptitude will give you a gift voucher.